You now have an environmentally friendly alternative for the management of flowback and produced water from regional shale gas plays. Introducing Fairmont Brine Processing. We provide solutions to the producing community as well as being an employer of choice in the Fairmont area. We seek to partner and build relationships with our customers, providing a safe alternative to disposal of frack water produced from the Marcellus and Utica Shale plays. In fact, the Fairmont Brine Processing Facility is the only fully permitted evaporation crystallization solution for flowback and produced water in the tri-state area. The history of frack water. The Marcellus Shale Formation is deep below the Earth's surface and is accessed by drilling vertically as deep as 10,000 feet, then horizontally in multiple directions. During the drilling process, millions of gallons of water are forced at high pressure into a newly drilled well. While in the well, the water absorbs salts and minerals that are naturally occurring in the Earth's core. This frack water, or brine, is often reused for drilling multiple wells until the salt and other dissolved minerals, collectively referred to as total dissolved solids, reach a level that makes recycling the water no longer practical. When this occurs, drillers must dispose of the frack water. How is frack water treated? In the past, frack water was dumped in streams, rivers, and water bodies, processed in municipal wastewater treatment plants, or injected deep underground in engineered water wells. Currently, frack water producers within Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia have only two choices for disposing of their frack waters. 1. Deliver their brine to Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia for deep well injection, or 2. Deliver their brine to a concentrator that evaporates much of the brine into distilled water, leaving heavily salted brine, which then is deep injected into an underground well. The Fairmont Brine Processing Facility accepts brine and treats it through a series of processes that remove certain unwanted chemicals and results in clean, marketable products. Let's take a quick look at how it's done. The Fairmont Brine Processing Plant consists of three main processing operations: pretreatment, evaporation, and crystallization. Pretreatment. After arrival and before unloading at the 8-bay unloading facility, the contents of the trucks are sampled and tested for chemical composition and physical properties. The truck is then unloaded into a large basin. Here, the brine water can be processed to chemically remove barium, strontium, calcium, metals, organics, suspended and gravitationally removed solids. Residual oils and solids are removed next. Finally, the brine water from the pretreatment process flows into a large retention pond for temporary storage. Evaporation. The brine water is pumped from the retention pond through heat exchangers to preheat the brine water, and then to the de-aerator to release non-condensable gases, oxygen and nitrogen, before the evaporators. In the vapor-liquid separators, or VLS, the brine water is concentrated as distilled water is evaporated out the top of the vessel. The condensed water vapors are free of salt and suitable for reuse or discharge to the river under permit. Crystallization. Salt crystallization occurs in the evaporation vessels as the water is evaporated and the concentration of the remaining brine exceeds the saturation point of the brine water solution. The salt crystals are then pumped to a hydrocyclone to sort the smaller from the larger crystals. While the smaller crystals are returned to the VLS to continue growing, the larger salt crystals are sent to a centrifuge for dewatering and then fed through a rotating dryer before being conveyed to a storage pile to await customer distribution. Products. The potentially marketable products of the crystallization process are distilled water, crystallized salt, and a liquid mixed salt solution consisting mainly of calcium chloride and residual sodium chloride. All are produced in significant volumes. Distilled water can be used by drillers as fresh frac water, or it can be discharged into the local waterways as clean, uncontaminated water. Crystallized sodium chloride is used as a substitute or a supplement to rock salt in treating local roadways, and liquid mixed salt is used in the winter on coal piles to keep them from freezing. Finally, an environmentally friendly, safe option for treating frac water while producing valuable products. Fairmont Brine Processing, your partner in the process.